What's going on, YouTube? I'm Dennis, a team member here at Streamcore Productions, and on this channel we focus on video, mainly video marketing for businesses and other organizations, as well as photography, music production, pretty much everything production. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you've already read the title or you wouldn't be here. So today we're talking about the importance of video marketing and also things that you can change to increase the value of your videos in your clients' eyes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future videos. And also head over to our Patreon page where you can have access to exclusive content and video conferencing options where we can help you write and produce your marketing materials. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into the meat of the video, let's talk a little bit about why video marketing is so important. Now, did you know that video marketers see 66% more leads than people who don't use video? I'm sure every business owner could use more leads, but 66% more leads than what you're currently getting is phenomenal. Okay, another reason why you need to get into video marketing. 45% of people watch at least 1 to 2 hours of video every day. Also, people who have seen videos from companies say it increases their brand awareness and it increases the trust in that brand. Even though I've given you all of these reasons why video marketing is so important for every organization, I'm pretty sure a lot of you have tried video and you really haven't seen an increase in sales. Now, there are a lot of different reasons why your video may not translate the way that you want it to. One of the most obvious reasons is because the quality of your video is just not up to par. Also, you have to take into account the quality of the audio or the voiceovers on your video. So there's a big difference between sounding as clear as I do now and sounding like this. I mean, everything you put in front of your clients is a representation of the quality of your service, whether you know it or not, or whether you expect people to think about your business in that way. That's usually how they perceive the quality of service they're going to receive from you. Okay, so now that I'm out of the shower, let's get to the point. Quality is everything. There's nothing wrong with doing Facebook Lives. They actually help, or Instagram Lives, or whatever social media site that you're using. They actually do help. However, hiring a professional videographer, photographer, to handle that video is your best bet. Now, you may have to look through their portfolios to see what type of quality they have, and if the audio sounds like they're in a bathroom somewhere, maybe you need to go somewhere else. Now, if you like the quality of the video of a videographer, but you don't like the audio, you're the client, so you could always suggest that maybe you do voiceovers in a professional recording studio. Now, of course, quality isn't cheap, but it's absolutely worth it in the long run. This is the first video in a series of videos that we're going to be doing here on this channel, Streamcore Productions. We just want to help everyone understand the importance of video marketing and the things that you need to look out for when hiring someone to do your video, your audio, and the importance of having someone to write your content properly. Later in this series, we'll get more in depth into quality as far as cameras are concerned. We'll go a little bit more in depth into the microphones you may need if this is something that you want to do for yourself. And we'll also be talking about minor but very important differences on how you should market on each social site. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future videos. And also head over to our Patreon page where you can have access to exclusive content and video conferencing options where we can help you write and produce your marketing material.